In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create template in ClickUp for beginners. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find, choose, and apply a template so you can set up repeatable workflows in just a few clicks. First, open ClickUp in your browser and sign into your workspace. You can use any modern browser, and if you're already signed in, you'll land right on your dashboard or the last area you visited. Templates work across the web app, so there's nothing extra to install. Next, head to your space. A space is a top-level container in ClickUp, usually dedicated to a team, a department, or a major project area. You'll find your spaces listed on the left-hand sidebar. Click the space where you want the template to live. Choosing the right space up front helps keep your structure organized and ensures the template's statuses, fields, and views make sense for that part of your work. Now look for the plus icon. Depending on your layout, you'll typically see a plus near the space name or in the top toolbar. This button opens creation options for that location. If your view looks a bit different, it may appear as new or add, but it serves the same purpose. From that menu, select Templates. This opens ClickUp's Template Center for the context you're in. Here you can browse curated options designed for different use cases like project management, content planning, software sprints, and more. You'll also see any templates your team has saved to the workspace, which is great for maintaining consistency across projects. Choose a template that matches what you need. Use the search bar or categories to narrow things down, and open the preview to see what's included. Pay attention to details like statuses, custom fields, views, and example tasks. If a template is designed for a space, it will apply structural elements at that level. If you're unsure, pick one that closely matches your workflow so you customize less later. When you're ready, click Use Template. You may see a few import options, such as whether to include tasks, assignees, or automations. If you're just getting started, the defaults usually work well. Confirm your choice, then give ClickUp a moment to apply the template. You'll see a loading indicator, and once it's done, the new structure appears right in your space, ready for you to tailor to your team. That's it. You went to ClickUp, you opened your space, hit the plus icon, chose templates, picked the right fit, and clicked Use Template. With this approach, you can standardize your work, launch projects faster, and keep everything consistent across your team.